Did you know that you can create stunning 3D motion graphics using just After Effects? In this video, I'll show you some advanced techniques to unlock its 3D potential. So, let's get started. First, start by making a new composition and drawing a circle. Turn on the 3D layer mode for the circle. Then add a null object, turn on its 3D mode too. Rotate the circle and move it down just a little. Now to make the circle fully 3D, change the composition to Advanced 3D mode. Open the circle's geometry option and adjust the view setting. Increase the extrusion depth to make it thicker. Set the bevel to the 10 for the nice edge. Change the bevel style to convex for a smooth and polished look. Next, let's animate it. Go to the Y rotation of the circle, add 3 keyframes. One at the start, one in the middle, and one at the end. Adjust the middle keyframe to create a smooth motion. Then do the same for the orientation of the null object. Make sure to ease all the keyframes so everything moves naturally. Now it's time to add some lights. Add a point light, adjust the intensity and position it where it looks good. Then duplicate the light a couple of times and place them around the shape to really make it pop. After that, pre-compose all layers. Add a solid layer and apply the gradient ramp effect. Change the orientation of the gradient so it runs across the frame. Apply the time displacement effect on your pre-comp. For the displacement source, use your gradient ramp and set it to effect and mask, but make sure you turn off its visibility. Here's a trick. If your shape looks pixelated when it bends, just increase the time resolution in the displacement setting to smooth it out. And that's it, you've created a beautiful 3D shape with a smooth bending effect. And I create this motion exactly with these techniques. But if you'd like me to show you how to make the gradient background I use in this project, drop a comment below. Let's create more amazing designs together. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment.